$1 snack cakes. We've all had some kind of snack cake during our lives, from the supermarket, from a vending machine. Well, today I'm going to show you just how easy these are to make. They're soft, delicious, and have that amazing, iconic chocolate icing shell. Pop these in your bag, have these on the go. These make a great, nostalgic, comforting snack. I want to give a big thank you to Trade Coffee for sponsoring today's video. Okay, so from one simple cake batter, we're gonna make both cakes, vanilla and chocolate. This is my go-to vanilla cake recipe. Shout out to all my OG subscribers who've made that cake and love it. We're essentially just gonna cream together the butter, oil, sugar, and vanilla and add the eggs one at a time. Now let's talk about these cakes for a moment, okay? I grew up eating snack cakes, cake snacks, whatever you wanna call them. There was this vending machine at my school. You could get these for $1. My love for cake started at a very young age, and I knew I wanted to create this recipe for you. If you're new to my channel, hello there, welcome. Make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell and follow me on Instagram. I love seeing your recreations. We're gonna add the dry ingredients, so the flour, salt, and baking powder, and the milk. Make sure you sift those dry ingredients and this batter comes together beautifully. You don't need a mixer, just mix it until everything is nice and combined and there's no lumps. As soon as everything is incorporated, you can divide it evenly. We're gonna transfer half of the vanilla cake batter into the first pan, buttered, floured, and lined with parchment paper. Take an offset spatula or a spoon and just spread out the batter as evenly as you can. To make the chocolate cake batter, we're gonna go back to the other batter and we're gonna bloom that cocoa with some hot milk. This will dissolve the cocoa, get rid of any lumps, and intensify its flavor. Add this to your batter. Again, do not overmix, okay? This should come together within seconds, and this is ready to be transferred into your second cake pan. Spread it out, give your cakes a good jiggle, and we're gonna bake these babies in a preheated oven at 170 degrees Celsius or 340 Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes. Do not overbake these, okay? Do the toothpick test. If it's clean, the cakes are ready. You're gonna let these cakes chill out for about 3 minutes, then pop them out and let these cool completely. Now, you know what's great with snack cakes? Coffee. I want to thank the sponsor of today's video, Trade Coffee. I've collaborated with Trade Coffee in the past. It's a company that I absolutely love, and their coffee's amazing. So far, I've tried 6 different coffees, and all of them were amazing. Trade partners with some of the best coffee roasters and matches you to your own personal selection of coffees and delivers it to you. You just go on their website, take their quiz, and they'll match you to the best coffee for you. You can choose your delivery frequency, and they'll deliver it right to your door fresh from the roaster. You then rate the coffee so you can keep getting the coffee you want. Super simple, super convenient, and their coffee is amazing. Like I said, I took their quiz, and this time around I was paired with PTS's Roasteries. I hope I'm saying this right. Flying Monkey Espresso, roasted in Topeka, Kansas, and it has notes of milk chocolate and graham cracker and honey. And if that doesn't sound delicious to you, well, I don't know what does, okay? It's so good. Trade was so kind to give the first 100 people 50% off your first bag when you sign up with my link in the description box below. So click that link, take the quiz, and use code EMMA50. Free shipping is included, and enjoy your coffee. Okay, so back to our cakes. What I have here is just some white chocolate. We're gonna make a white chocolate icing shell for the cakes. It's so good. This type of icing is crucial because it locks in the moisture of the cakes. They're going to be melt in your mouth, soft cakes with a crispy chocolate shell on the outside. So good. Also, it's the iconic icing for snack cakes. How are you going to pick these up or have them on the go if it's regular frosting? I've added a tablespoon of coconut oil to thin out the chocolate, and you're going to pop this in the microwave, stirring it every 30 seconds until fully melted. Set that to the side to cool, and we're going to trim the sides of the cakes, okay? This is optional. I personally like a pretty presentation. You know, I like to do it. Do you need to do it? No, of course you don't need to do it. You're going to cut your cakes into 8 small cakes. Now, if you want, you could cut those in half and add a layer of any stable filling you like. So like nut butters, cookie butters, Nutella. I personally don't do that. Snack cakes are supposed to be easy, quick, and fast. Otherwise, I'm just not going to make these, okay? I've said this so many times before. These recipes have to be not only delicious, but also convenient. Now, I did transfer the chocolate in a bigger bowl. I know. Keep that in mind, okay? When you're melting it, it's just easier to melt it in a big bowl. This is super simple. You're just going to take each cake and dunk it in that icing. Cover it well, shake off the excess icing, okay? Now this will set up really quickly as long as you're using tempered chocolate or some kind of candy melt. So before it sets, we're gonna add, the decoration. I like sprinkles. Sprinkles are just amazing. These are gonna be party cakes. I do want to mention something really important. Once you cut your cakes, do not let them hang out unfrosted for like an hour. These will start to dry out just like any cake that's been cut. So ideally, you do want to ice these within 15 minutes of cutting these. We want to lock in the moisture of the cakes. And a cake is at its peak of moisture when it's freshly cut. You can also do milk chocolate if you want. I just melted some milk chocolate. I added that to the same bowl, of the white chocolate. Do whichever icing you prefer. I absolutely love how these turned out. They're adorable and delicious. These take me back to recess, to after school. I love these, and I really think you will too. You could pop these in a Ziploc bag, bring these to school, to work. Have these on the go, okay? They have a beautiful snap to them, and the inside is incredibly melt in your mouth soft. They're amazing. Before you go, make sure to check out Trade Coffee. The link will be in the description box below.